Hey, I know this is so late, but I need to share this one.
This is your boy MNTBN.
Yo guys, this is your boy MNTBN up for another video, and today's video we are going to raid my own bag because I'm alone and I don't have anyone by my side to raiding at. So here's my bag. Yeah, well, every college student have this kind of bag. I am a big bag guy, like I bring a big bag at school. Unlike any other students, like my classmates, only bring notebook and pen, but it's not me. So yeah, today we're going to raid my bag. Wow! So this is my bag. We're gonna cover this one because I am not paid with this brand. First things first is we gonna try to see the stuffs in here in a small pocket. I am very messy guy, which is I don't really focus on the things that I don't know. I have a USB, just a 32 gig USB, and I always bring it because maybe for example I have to move files or things on something. And next is I have a pocket Wi-Fi, which is very handy also, so that I can stay connected wherever I go. I don't know why this is on the back, but this comes also really handy when I charge my phone, but I don't know where the cord is. So a broken keychain, but still I put it in my bag because it has a sentimental value for me. Another USB on my bag. I love USBs. Pens, a lot of pens, and also a pen so that group works or something. So that's it. Let's put it back. That's how I put my things on the bag. Like I don't fucking care who. Next is the paper sections. This is the paper section where I put a lot of papers. So like for example, dirty papers, outputs like these papers, this stuffs, all of my works and stuffs. Also, this is a special pocket for me because this is where I put all my important receipts. For example, my student grade slip or anything that's important for me. Another thing are my notebooks, a pocket. I don't know where this came from, maybe from my classmate, and I just forget to return it. So dirty stuffs. A rosary, because this rosary is a gift from me, and I just put it on my bag so that I will always remember who the one gift is, so that I feel safe and I feel the presence of family. So another paper, the newspaper, a folder, that is a folder for my Supreme Student Council stuffs, my clearance for the last sem, papers, plastic envelope that has no project, project scrapbook for my Filipino subject, which is translating stuffs like Filipino, English, Japanese or something. Another paper, I'm just gonna put it on back again. Reading one's back is so hard. So for you guys to know who am I am Ziboy MNTBN for those who are new in here in this video. And also watch my other videos on my channel. Also subscribe on my channel and click the bell button in here so that you will be notified if I have a new video. But for now, I can say that I can upload videos every week or something. So the last part of this video is the special pocket in my bag, which is the big zipper and the big space in my bag. My notebook, which is a very important notebook for me because this is where I put my stuffs, my important stuffs. I have this one, a box, every time in my bag. So this box is, we call this one a kitty box because in this box you'll find happiness. Candies, because sometimes I felt a bit of nausea, like I was about to vomit or something, then I just gotta eat this one. Both because we we're going to have a test for this one. This is Asian Gods Family Tree, Greek gods. So another one is this one, my tripod for the camera, because what if I vlog that I don't know that I don't vlog. This is for the camera. Again, a rosary given to me by my special friends. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're still watching now in the end, I'm really thankful that you shared your time to me, which is a really crazy one because I think nobody watches this. But yeah, comment down below if you finish this video. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, thank you very much. Down below in the description box will be I will put my social media accounts to follow me on Instagram and tweet me on Twitter or add me on Facebook. Well, that would be weird, but don't do that. And yeah, I also have my vlogs on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that. And maybe in the next video, I will raid somebody's bag, like my sister's bag or my mom's bag or any bags of your classmates' bag. This is your boy MNTV signing off for this video. Bye.